Hey, what's up? Welcome to TechJedi. Today we are gonna review the Motorola Edge 40 and find out if it's truly a flagship killer. Starting off with the design, the Edge 40 boasts an attractive sleek design. It comes in three options: lunar blue, plastic back, and in vegan leather, black and green. The black variant attracts a lot of dust. Choose the green for vegan leather or blue for a reliable plastic back. The phone is IP68 rated for dust and water resistance, which is a plus under the 30K segment. The Edge 40 features a 6.55-inch POLED display with HDR10+ and a peak brightness of 1200 nits. The screen looks bright and vibrant, with excellent viewing angles. The Pixel 7a and Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus both come with an OLED display, offering 90 and 120 Hz respectively, while the Edge 40 offers a 144 Hz refresh rate and higher screen-to-body ratio of about 90.92%. But Motorola has not specified any protection, like Gorilla Glass for the front end of the Edge 40. The high refresh rate, POLED panel and dual stereo speakers tuned by Dolby contributes to a great content viewing and gaming experience. The Edge 40 packs a 6nm Mediatek Dimensity 8020 paired with a generous 8GB RAM, and a spacious 256GB UFS 3.1 storage. The phone performed slightly better than expected for day-to-day tasks. Nothing about the phone felt slow or sluggish, and apps launched quickly and smoothly. However, some users have reported overheating issues during intensive gaming sessions, especially graphics-intensive games like COD, on 144 Hz display settings. With 4400 mAh battery, the Edge 40 falls a bit short compared to the Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus, which offers a 5000 mAh battery. But the phone still offers a decent battery life, and Motorola makes up for it by providing 68 watts turbo power fast charging and 15 watts wireless charging. The device does not support microSD card and lacks a 3.5mm headphone jack. The Edge 40 allows one nano SIM and one eSIM. There is also a variant that takes two nano SIM cards. With a 50-megapixel primary sensor, OIS support, and an f1.4 aperture, this phone captures good low-light photos and offers impressive depth of field in close-up shots. Although not a huge fan of the 13-megapixel ultra-wide camera, which is a bit of a downgrade from the 50-megapixel that the Edge 30 had. Also, the Edge 40's selfie shooter may not deliver consistent performance and occasionally has quite a bit of noise in low light. Motorola adopts a minimalistic approach to Android 13 software, offering a clean and uncluttered user experience with minimal modifications compared to stock Android. Motorola has promised 3 years of security updates, but just 2 OS upgrades may seem insufficient for those seeking long-term software support. In conclusion, the Motorola Edge 40 is a well-rounded device that offers a robust set of features and solid performance. Despite a few shortcomings, its strengths make it a worthy contender in its price segment. I'm eager to hear your thoughts. Is it really the new ultimate flagship killer? Let me know what you think in the comments below and if you're considering it as your next smartphone. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more captivating content like this, I kindly ask for your continued support. Don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with fellow tech enthusiasts and follow TechJedi. Cheers!